Alright guys, welcome back to Breath of the Wild. This is part 13, and when we left off last time, I saw this little thing over here, so I'm gonna go and see what's in it. First, I need stepping stones. I wonder if I can throw one right now. Let's throw. No, it's not close enough. I need to do one more. There we go. Oh, it's like a little tunnel. There is a chest up here. Shock arrows. And I heard the telltale. Oh, hey. Thunder rod. Inventory's full. What do I have in my inventory that I don't want, if any? I have arrows. I didn't really use the rod last time either, so. Sounds like there is a shrine nearby in this area that I have not technically yet. What is that? What's that? Oh, little rock things. Oh, I don't have a hammer. I'll use this. Oops. Okay, so this does not work in place of hammer. Can I, like... Yep. That works. Ow, I hurt myself. Stop rolling. Is there a better bow? Yes. Okay. For sure, it'd be like in here or something. But I guess I was wrong. Seems like a good place to have one. again, I could just be wrong. Oh, oh. Okay, let's just head back to this place over here. Maybe they have a clue what I'm supposed to be doing over here at this stable that I don't think I... No, I discovered the stable. Okay, I've got to figure out... Oh hey, that guy is over there. Maybe I can get him to show me a memory. Memory, please. Oh, you are the guy who found the Great Fairy Fountain. Funny running into you here. Are you traveling too? I've traveled all over the world, so I'm happy to tell you about new places if you want. Got a picture? Show it to me already. This picture shows Hyrule Castle in the distance. They say there used to be a stage where knighting ceremonies were performed just south of Hyrule Castle. It is in ruins now, but I'm pretty certain that's what's in this picture. However, that area is extremely dangerous. If you're planning on going there, please be careful. Just south of the castle, huh? Okay, let's find somebody with a exclamation point over their head. Not you. Not you. Not you. Wow. Such a glorious painting. Oh, hey, beetle. Pack it to the max. Hey, you're the great customer, and since today is a customer appreciation day, I want you to have this. Oh. You're using paper technology to be stuck. Nice. Those are the Guardian things. It's amazing. I know what I'm doing. Way north past Zora's domain, all the way to Akawa Ancient Tech Lab. That scientist is kind of cool, but also terrifying. If you want strong weapons and stuff, you should go see him. Anyway, back to business. What are you looking for? Look what I've got. Ooh, opals. I can sell opals. All of them! These. All of them. I don't think I have anything else for me to sell at this moment in time. So, I mean, unless I want to sell some of these monster things that I use for potions. I have 34 of these, and I sell for 10 a piece, so I would get 340. These sell for 15 though, and I have 22. Maybe I should sell these. 330. It's 10 less, but at least I sold less. Okay. What have you got? Arrow, bundle of arrows. Okay. Heat resistance elixir. Notices, allow you to move more quietly, and maximum number of parts. Definitely getting that. Okay. Goodbye. Is there a pot over here that I can cook in? Yes, over here. Stamina limit, increase the stamina limit. Maximum parts. Maximum parts. Plus 13 hearts. Nice. I just remembered what we're supposed to be doing. Okay, we have to go to... How many more shrines? I have 6. I need 8. I need 2 more shrines to get 2 hearts. And then we're going to try to go back and get the sword. That's what I wanted to do. Okay. Let's go try to find a shrine. I don't see anybody over here with like a mission over their head, so maybe we should just try to leave good. Oh wait, hey! Sometimes I see it in my dreams. Do you think that a long time ago people used to live in the sky? I think so. Hey, mister, just once in my life I want to see balloons float right into the sky. You'll help me realize my balloon dream. I'll give you a treasure I got from the sky as thanks. Leave it to me. Thank you. Now put some balloons onto a barrel, and make it float up high. How do I do that? Can I like, wait, am I able to use these things? Octo balloon. Oh, that is so cool! Yay, you brought me balloons! What a guy! You should tie those balloons onto that barrel and make it soar into the sky. I did. Oh. Floaty! Balloons soaring high in the sky, fly up and away to the land in the clouds. I want to visit the land and the sky by balloon. Then I'm going to ride a really big bird. Yep, that's my dream. Thank you, mister. This is the treasure from the sky. Here, take it. A star fragment. Mysterious stone fragment that fell from the sky. It looks like it would fetch a good price, but you may be able to use it in certain recipes as well. Thanks, kid. That was pretty cool. I didn't know you could make things float with octopus. Okay, maybe I should go to the tower and try to find... Oh, I already... Maybe I should go to this tower and see if there's any more shrines. Very much like to get the Master Sword. Very, very nice. To get the Master Sword. I'd like the Master Sword. Master Sword would be great to have. Okay, look for shrines. But I haven't already done yet. Ooh, don't fall. Oh wait, there's one way over there. Yeah. What is that? Oh, it's a horse stable. Hmm. Maybe I should just go to that shrine near that horse stable, because there should be a shrine near a horse stable, because there's all the horse stables that I've seen so far has had shrines near them. Okay, looks like we're going to that one. Is there one over here that I forgot? Because my little shrine thingy is going off. Oh, a ruby. Topaz. Nice. Rock salt. Okay. I'm thinking maybe I missed one over here. Because I know I got the ones above me. So... Yep. Well, here's one. I already picked the second one, so we already have 2 more shrines under our belt. And hopefully that... Let's go! Alrighty, so here's one shrine down. I wonder what kind of trial I'm gonna have to do. Oof. Dude, that's what the shrine I am. Reday. Reday. So yeah, that's trial. That was easy. Okay. Strange, but okay. Is there anything up here? No. Okay. Oh. Oh, don't fall off. Yeah. Nice. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to... Oh, oh nope, too far. There we go. No, come back! Shit. Every time. Why do I always die at least once in these things? There's a chest up there. But how do I get up there? Maybe I leave something on this thing? Yeah, that seems to be the best possible way to get up there. Can I leave this on here and it stay? No. Fuck. Okay. I died again. Just died. Maybe I can leave a weapon on it? How far did I go? Okay. No, wait. Wrong direction. This is the direction I want to go in. just drop you. Don't fall. Okay. You're like metal, right? Okay. There we go. I will come back for you, so please don't move. You know what I just realized? I can take that ball, right? I put that. No, it has to, okay. It has to be the thing then. Ooh, vibrant bandana. Nice. Come back, please. Darn it. Hurry up. Maybe I can just grab it with my metal thing. Not have to, Get it. There we go. Oh, are those barrels supposed to... whatever. Is there anything else under here that I need? No? Okay. Yay! One shrine down. Let's try the true hero. Thank you. You gotta smell. Okay, so let us go back here. Over there. Oop. Or I can just not jump and then just fall and glide. That works too. I mean, I wanted to jump and glide, but I guess that wasn't in the works today. My clumsiness knows no bounds. Maybe I should change my clothes to my ninja outfit. Yeah. Complete ninja. And I kind of want that. Key swing. They're all asleep. So maybe if I'm really quiet, I can just sneak attack all of them. There's one. Two. Three. Wait, is there somebody in this sleeping in this little thing too? Yep. Hello. God, there's a lot of them in here. Here we go. There was a rusty traveler's claymore. Throw that with this. Ooh, it's raining. I do not want anything that I'm carrying to catch on fire. Or attract lightning because that sucks. Amber. Amber. Just in the middle. There we go. Alright, this is annoying. Die. Die. Alrighty then. Now, let's see here. Just. This is an opal. Nice. Opal. I can sell that. I think it's over. It's behind this bridge. So I'll just keep going this way. I should find it. Oh, great. They ride horses now. That's exactly what I'd like to see. Hey, come here. I'm not going to tame you, but I will ride you bareback for a little bit. Rescue you from the goblin. That was very shallow water, too. That's embarrassing. Maybe if I wear my 2 Zora armor that I have. Yeah, getting a little bit better. And once more. Oh, I almost died again. Oh, so pretty flowers. Are you so pretty in bloom? Look, aren't they lovely? I wanted to see how the shrine would look with flowers around it, and it's wonderful. Please, feel free to take a closer look. Just don't step on them. I'll try not to. Why'd you make it a maze, lady? Yay! Healer Rose Shrine. Let's go. Watch out for the flowers. Complete. Ow. Foot. And Healer Row. They got us out of this trial. Okay. jump, and jump, and jump. Am I missing anything in here? No. Okay, what about in here? Just that one chest? Okay, well, first of all, I'm going to need... Ooh! That's not what I meant to do at all. There we go. Maybe that'll get closer. Ice arrows. Any day now. Yay! Oh, that's it? Really? Alright. Your resourcefulness and overcome this trial speaks to the prowess of hero. Thank you. I love how there's little rings. Everybody's doing something different. Thank you. Eight. 2 more hearts added to our list. Ow, I hit my foot again. Rest in peace, my friend. Okay. Oh, hey, there's one way over there. See it? Right there. So let's go that way. Oh. No, you must not hurt the flowers. They are screaming out in pain. Okay. Freaking weirdo. Gosh, this current, man. It's nothing to joke about. That's the stuff I saw on the ship on Varuta. I don't see anything to shoot to get rid of it, though. Seriously, you were way over there. How did you even see me? Ow. Die. Also, maybe I should change back into ninja gear. Ninja gear for the win! Dun, 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 Yes, yes, I know. It's going way over there. I'm getting there, slowly but surely. Hello. 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 See, it's right there. Current's probably going to be a problem again. She'll be going that bridge and then go over there. I think that's what I'm going to do. Probably just cut in right here, though. Note there. Maybe being the operative word over here. Okay, fine. I'll get on the bridge. There's somebody screaming. I make no promises that he's not going to wake up during the blood moon, though. You good, lady? Wow, thanks. I might have been that thing stew without you. What do I have to give you in return? How's this? I'll take it. I like watching the river flow. Is that such a crime? Seeing the water stream so peacefully makes it hard to believe the great calamity really happened. Then monsters attack out of nowhere, and I think, oh, right, time to head back to the stables. Ugh, whatever. It's a bird person. I will come back to you. I want this shrine first. Kaya 1. Aw, Kaya. Or Kaya. Kaya. It's probably Kaya. Skipping because I want to get this done quickly. I don't have a lot more time left before this video has to end. Oof. Definitely gonna need this. And what do you have for me? Ancient core. Oh, that's fast current. Fast current. Okay. Knight's broadsword. Inventory is full. Of course it is. Full of junk. Oh, not you. You're Mipha's. But then I don't never want to use you. Actually, I'll get rid of this damn thing. Yes. Hello. Um, Thank you. One more than needed. That's okay. May the goddess smile upon you. Thank you. You too. Rest in peace, my friend. Oh god, you were sitting really weird, I just noticed. Okay. Are you attacking that thing with a torch? Wow. Okay. Aha! Hello! Uh, Greetings, traveler. How about a song, Cass? Yeah, sure. That there, on your hip. No, I'm sorry. It's nothing. I didn't mean to pry. Are you a bird? Have you never met a Rico before? Odd. My name is Cass. As a bard, I spend my days traveling this land in search of ancient songs. Have you heard of the ancient songs of Hyrule? Ancient songs. Songs that sing the praise of a hero who beat back the calamity in age past. One of the more famous among them recounts the events of 10,000 years ago. I happen to know a song about the ancient hero who passed down to me by my teacher. Do you care to hear it? Let's hear it. Excellent. Without further ado, Bard. One of my friends is always a bard. The kingdom of Hyrule is a vast and storied land. Oh, dark force of destruction, many times undone, raises once again Ganon, the clamorous one. But hope survives in Hyrule, for all is not lost. Two brave souls protected no matter the cost. A goddess blood princess and a fearless knight, they appear in each age to fight the good fight. Their battle with Ganon I've committed to song, to keep it through time no matter how long. Now begins the second verse. Listen and you'll know of their battle with Ganon 2,000 years ago. The kingdom of Hyrule, once a land of lasting peace, a culture of such strength, wit, that did suffering did cease. But Ganon lurked beneath the surface, strengthening its jaws, till the ancient people of Hyrule set out to help the cause. Their efforts bore fruit in automated force to help avert calamity by sealing it at its source. 4 giant behemoths, for which power never ceased, each of these titans were called a divine beast. And free-willed machines that hunted down their prey, these guardians were built to last so they could join the fray. To guide the beasts in battle, warriors were needed, so 4 champions pledged to see Ganon defeated. Oh. Divine beast guardians, princess and knight, their plan to rout Ganon was looking all airtight. And when Calamity Ganon reared its head, Hyrule rose against it. The optimism of Hyrule all the more incensed it. Ganon raged in its assault, boiling with hate. It gnashed its teeth and thrashed about, but it was all too late. The guardians kept the heroes safe through every hour. The divine beast unleashed attacks that weakened Ganon's power. Oh, I like this little beat. It reminds me of Link Through Time or something. The hero with the sealing sword struck the final blow, and the holy power of the princess sealed Ganon's soul. And that is the story of the brazen attack on Calamity Ganon 10,000 years back. That was cool. I like that. Thank you for listening. Please come back and hear it again sometime. Oh, I definitely will. That was awesome. Okay, that's all I have for today, guys. We met a bird. We did more than the 2 shrines we needed, but next episode we will get our 2 extra hearts and go see if that is enough to pull a sword from the stone. I will become King Arthur. Alright, see you guys then.